And we are live. What's going on? It's Chris and Emily from LifterLMS, and you know what day it is? It's Feature Friday, now on Tuesday. We're going to be diving into a feature that has been a part of LifterLMS for a long time as part of our origin story when it comes to having memberships or a membership site be part of the LMS software and a type of configuration that you can do. There's a feature inside LifterLMS called Restrict Site by Membership. It's a powerful feature. Sometimes people turn it on when they shouldn't, and they restrict their site to a membership. We're going to show you how to think about Restrict Site by Membership, how to use it, and some different ways to think about restriction, maybe using some other tools we have like the LifterLMS private site add-on, or just using native LifterLMS memberships. Emily is going to take us on a tour. Over to you.
Yeah, thanks so much, Chris. So here we are on a LifterLMS website. We're going to take a look at a couple ways to restrict your site by membership level. Like Chris said, this feature's been in Lifter for a long time. It's a part of the free core plugin. If we go to our WordPress admin, we'll find it under LifterLMS settings and then memberships up here at the top. This is the first setting we have on my screen here, restrict site by membership level. So we can select a membership on our website. I only have one called the Academy website or the Academy membership. And so when I have a membership selected here, the entire site is not going to be available unless you're a part of the membership. And where some of our users get things tied up with this feature is that they have a sales page, or they have a course description page, or they have pages that they want people to be able to see that are outside of the membership. So visitors to the website should be able to view these pages. And what they do is they restrict their site to membership level, and suddenly all those pages are not able to be viewed unless you have the membership. So we recommend using this feature only when you know that this feature is exactly for you. Alternatively, you can go to a page or a post or custom post types and restrict them to membership levels individually. So if I wanted this page to be restricted to a membership and this page only, I could check this box and make that happen. So this setting is going to be very aggressive for restricting your entire website. There are a few exclusions though. On our documentation, we can see what pages can be viewed when we have this feature turned on. So the non-enrolled view of the membership that is required. So for me, I have that Academy membership that I had selected there. And so the page that this would be is, if I edit my membership, that's this page right here, the membership page itself with our access plans or whatever content we put here. This page will be available to people who are not enrolled in the membership, as well as the terms and conditions page. So when you set your terms and conditions, that's viewable. The membership catalog, because people need to be able to view the membership to be able to purchase that, and as well as the checkout page. They need to be able to view the checkout page to get into the membership sometimes, and also the student dashboard, which is used for logins. We need people to be able to log in, even if they're logged out, not a part of the membership. So that's how you would use the restrict site by membership feature. Again, that's LifterLMS settings memberships. Select your membership. It's going to lock down your entire website except for these few pages. And then also, LifterLMS came out recently with an add-on called Private Site. You can find that information on our website for LifterLMS Private Site. And how this one works is it is even more restrictions than the setting that we're looking at here for restrict site by membership level. The private site will also restrict the header and the footer, and it will add a custom login page where you can add your own custom text to any page somebody tries to access that is not a part of the membership that this is restricted to. We have a full tutorial about how to use LifterLMS private site, but that one would be found under integrations, private site right here. And then once we enable this, it will reload and we'll have our private site login, and it has its own separate settings outside of this membership restriction feature here. And I can show you what this looks like. If we restrict a site to the Academy membership, I'm logged in as an admin user, but if I were to view a course, potentially this course. I'll copy that link, and then I can swap over to an incognito browser and show you what this does. So I have this feature turned on for restrict site to membership level. You must be a part of the Academy membership. And then for some reason it didn't redirect me. Before I share my screen, I will make sure that it redirects me over to my course page. I might not be able to pull up a demo of that.
Did you hit save changes on that page?
Yeah, should be changes saved. View this. But yeah, like this, for some reason it wasn't working on my incognito. I might have some kind of a caching thing going on, but this should lock down our entire page. So if I copy this link, try it in incognito. Yeah, there it is. So let me see if it works on this page too. I don't know why it was showing me that course page. Yeah, so it says you must belong to the Academy to access this content. It's not a very robust message, so I won't pull it up on my screen here, but it simply just restricts people and says, hey, you have to go buy this membership. Here's the link to do so. But yeah, I'll pass it back to you, Chris. Do you have a curveball for today or anything to add to how to use the restrict site by membership level?
Before we do the curveball, I just want to add that really the main reason and kind of the only reason to restrict site by membership level with that setting is if you have a classic membership site where you have one membership that you want people to be able to buy or enroll for free in, and then to be able to check out on your site, to be able to log in on your site, but literally everything else is restricted unless they're active in that membership and are logged in. The site header and the footer will still be there, but that's really the only reason to turn that feature on. And if you are doing something like internal training and it's not really for the public web, you're kind of using your WordPress LMS website as a site on the internet, but only for your company or your team members or your people to be able to see it in your organization. That's what LifterLMS private site is for, which is a better solution for that. If you find that restrict site by membership level is too restrictive, you can always just work with regular memberships and, lock down the bits and pieces or even parts of pages that you want to restrict. But now for the curveball. One complaint someone might have is people love the feature in LifterLMS where you can redirect to a custom sales page for a membership. They're going to lose that external page because it's off the membership. It's off like the restricted pages. Yeah. So how could you build a nice looking sales page for your membership on the actual membership itself?
Yeah, so if I pull up my screen share here, one of the pages that we still have access to, the pages that bypass the site-wide restriction, is the membership page itself. So, like I said, this Academy membership page is viewable for people who are not logged in or enrolled in the membership. So we can leverage this page being here as a custom sales page. We could even use the block visibility features to say, is this image, if I put it in a group, is this going to be visible to people who are logged out or logged in? So we could have a logged in membership page and then a logged out membership page by putting all the content right here in this one editor, setting some of it to be viewed for enrolled users or logged in users, and some of it to be viewable for logged out users. So for a sales page example, what I might do is, I think I have the aircraft add-on from LifterLMS installed, so I can put together a sales page really quickly here. So if we put together an about section, and then we put in a call to action, maybe this call to action, and whatever content we want here, we can take our all of these items. So I think that's There's my call to action, content upgrade 1, and then about the founder. So these are our 2 blocks that are going to be for sales page content for people who are logged out. I'll put them in a single group, and then I will make that group visible to logged out users. And so this content would not be visible to logged in users, but we could leverage the membership page as a sales page in this way. And then here we could link to the checkout. So this would be like the enroll now button, and we would link right to our checkout. But then we could also have some content for logged in users as well with a similar grouping feature. So that's how we can still leverage the power of sales pages that LifterLMS has to offer with restricting our entire site to a membership level.
That's awesome. Great demo. And that's how you use LifterLMS, restrict site by membership level. Use carefully. It really needs to fit in the right use case. Any other way you want to do it is still possible, but you may want to use private site or the regular LifterLMS membership features.